Do you know many people are having trouble with upgrading the RAM in their Lenovo ThinkCentre M58? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power off and unplug. Turn off your Lenovo ThinkCentre M58 and unplug it from the power source. Safely remove the computer cover to access the internal components. Step 2. Find memory slots. Locate the DDR3 memory slots on the system board. These slots can support up to 8 GB of RAM in total. Step 3. Choose compatible RAM. Use only DDR3 SDRAM DIMMs. You can combine 1 GB and 2 GB memory modules to reach the maximum capacity. Step 4. Install RAM modules. Insert the memory modules securely into the slots, ensuring proper alignment with the slot keys for a firm connection. Step 5. Reassemble and power on. Replace the computer cover, reconnect any cables, and power on the system to verify the new RAM installation. With these steps completed, your Lenovo ThinkCentre M58 should now support the maximum amount of RAM efficiently. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lenovo users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.